Hello friends, I was just wondering what I should do for this video and I just plunged into this. So I just drew a figurine here on a piece of cardboard, cut it out, and I made two of it and cut both the pieces and then pasted both the pieces for giving it a good thickness. So this is how it is, and then I took a tissue paper and with the help of Fevicol and water I pasted it all over this figure, and it's something like this now. So here is Fevicol molded, and I'm going to paste it at some places of the figure, like the hair, the instrument, the blouse. So once this is done, I'm going to smoothen it out and then I'm going to allow it to dry, and then I'm going to color it with acrylic colors. Now I finally completed this clay work and I painted the figure with the help of acrylic colors. Now the work is almost done and still I have no idea as to what I am going to do with this. So I just thought I will take some chart paper and cardboard, and again I will make some wall decor. So with the help of newspaper I covered the cardboard and pasted the black chart over it. For the borders I used golden color. The borders are now completed. I'm using some fox mirrors, plastic mirrors, and decorating the border. Now I'll be pasting this figure onto the center of the frame. Now I'm adding some details to the face like eyes, nose, etc. I'm not so good at drawing, so let me see if I'm able to do some justice to this. So this is how it turned out to be. Maybe I should have used a lighter color for the face because the background is black. Anyways, I like it. I hope you like it too.